How to make PDF. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily make PDF from your Word file on your PC or laptop. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Word document and then you will see the file option on the very top left. Go ahead and tap on it, go to Save As, and then choose the location where you want to save the file. So once you have chosen the location, you will see your file name and under that you'll see Save As Type. So you'll need to tap on the drop down and there you'll find the PDF option. So you just need to go ahead and tap on it and then hit Save. And that's it. Now your Word document will be saved as a PDF. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.